Welcome to Baan Tectonix, a serene, modern family retreat designed by I Like Design Studio, located in a quiet residential village in Thailand. This 780 square meter home isn't just a house. It's a thoughtful extension of an existing family residence, built with intention to accommodate future generations while preserving harmony and privacy. Set on an L-shaped plot, the home is divided into 3 distinct zones, each tailored to specific family needs. At the deepest end of the site lies a private wing designed for the elderly parents, a calm and secluded space complete with its own vehicle entrance, separate from the rest of the home, offering both autonomy and comfort. At the heart of the house, the central zone features a dramatic high-ceilinged hall that serves as a communal space for dining, lounging, and connecting. It opens seamlessly onto a balcony and a multipurpose pavilion on the second floor, with clear visual and physical flow toward the swimming pool, a key social and relaxation point for the whole family. To the left side of the home, the service area is carefully placed, including a discreet maid's quarter and kitchen. This zone is linked to both the old and new houses, and even features a separate service route along the rear, ensuring the daily rhythms of the household remain uninterrupted and functional without disturbing the main living spaces. Surrounded by neighboring homes, privacy was a major design consideration. The L-shaped layout was used strategically to fit the site, while the roof was elevated and sloped to block views of nearby 2-story houses. Instead of walls, the ceiling frames the sky, drawing the outdoors in and maintaining a strong connection with nature. the front, a tall, solid fence shields the swimming pool from the street, creating a serene, enclosed courtyard. Within this intimate space, the architecture becomes a quiet sanctuary, revealing only the garden, the pool, and the sky. The design filters out the noise of the neighborhood, fostering peace and inward connection. What's truly special is how the architecture reflects the emotional values of the family. The structure feels like an embrace, with a sense of softness, warmth, and connection woven into every corner. The design is humble yet deeply expressive, grounding the home in authenticity rather than showmanship. Baan Tectonix is more than a beautiful home. It's a portrait of thoughtful living. Every element, from spatial planning to the smallest detail, speaks to care, love, and family heritage. It's a modern sanctuary where architecture and emotion intersect, and where design becomes a living, breathing part of the family's story.